Hello and welcome to Library Salad. Today's episode is a salute to Cupcakes, and it's brought to you by the Monroeville Public Library in Pennsylvania. Hi, I'm Alice. And Library Salad is just taking an idea, tossing around a couple of ideas. And so we're talking cupcakes today. Funny story. Last night when I was getting ready to bake the cupcakes that we're going to be talking about, I went into the pots and pans and I was looking for the cupcake pans. I looked and couldn't find them. Then I remembered a while back I either gave them away or donated them because of the fact that I rarely bake cupcakes. I'm actually more partial to cake and pies. So I called over to my daughter-in-law and she brought me over her pans. So luckily for that, thank you, Sammy. Now, fun facts. Cupcakes are about 200 years old. Not the ones we're having today, but in general, they date back about 200 years. And the biggest cupcake on record weighed actually 1 ton and took 600 pounds of frosting. The cupcake eating champion, and there is one, ate 29 cupcakes in 30 seconds. Not 30 minutes, 30 seconds. And a side fun fact is that Rich, who's doing the video right now, there he is, was actually in the Nathan's hot dog eating contest back in the day for 2 years in a row. And that's when the winner, it was not him, but he gave it a gallant effort. The winner ate 21 hot dogs, and compare it to this year, the winner, he won, I believe it was about 74. So times have changed. Going back to the fun facts, 13% of brides now have cupcakes at their wedding. And last one, December 15th is National Cupcake Day, people. So put that on your calendar now. We're getting close to Labor Day. And at this point, people are looking forward to grilling on Labor Day. Hamburgers, this happens to be a turkey burger, but let's pretend you've got hamburgers. And you can actually hear, listen, here's the sound of the sizzle on the grill. But what we're going to do is a little bit of a switch on that because we're going to be making hamburger cupcakes. That's right. And let's talk about the fun and different types of cupcakes that there are. This book that I got from the library, which is Cupcakes, Cookies, and Pie, Oh My, by Karen Tack and Alan Richardson, has a lot of really fun, different types of cupcakes. As you can see here, you've got, you've got a sheet. They even have accessories like a little fence. You actually get these things together, these little pencil sticks together, not by hot glue. I know you see me use hot glue. We would not use hot glue in that, but it's just a little bit of frosting. Check out on the back, let's step it up, the classic cupcake shoe. Look how easy it is. Well, not easy, but very gentle things. It's got the red cupcake with the sugar, the red foil, and simply those are cookies. This is a stick of gum. These are other cookies. And so basic things you could get at any type of place where you get your baked goods. You'd be able to find that. And what we're going to be looking closer at is this one also from the library, from Rosanna Pansino. And this one called Nerdy Nummies, right here on page 210, is the cheeseburger cupcakes. And that's what we're actually going to be making and tasting today, because simple ingredients are just put together like this. So let's go and see, let's go to the videotape and see the fun that people had with the hamburger cupcakes. So, we're starting with the cupcake. Excellent.
I don't know. Isn't that how you start with a bun?
That bun, that's right. You start with the bun. There's the brownie hamburger. Very nice.
That's a
Extra
massive.
It is, but you can do it.
That's a quarter pound. No, that's a half pounder. What do I do now with this stuff?
Now, well, you can add some of the green coconut lettuce.
I'll be nice and for your
Thank
demonstration.
You can throw it out afterwards.
I'll do that one again.
Oh God.
And then you can have either the red ketchup on it or make yourself.
I get it.
See?
Well, considering I don't put ketchup.
I
Is
did
open?
cut it.
Oh,
I did
good.
cut it. We have another.
I should have put. I don't know.
Well, that's good on the bun.
In my house, it's something. It won't come out. There we go.
There we go.
I always yell at my husband, "You're putting it on the wrong side of the bun or something." But I don't put anything on, so what do I know?
And
then
did you want that's for to make an actual slice of cheese.
oh,
There's a knife in case you want to.
I thought it was mustard.
Okay, go with the mustard. Whatever you want to do. You can call it cheese. You can call it.
Oh yeah,
mustard.
that comes.
Oh, there you go.
That's
very nice.
That's
There you
mustard
go.
consistency. Come on, that's perfect.
There you go.
Okay, I got a hamburger. You think I'm gonna have my mouth around that?
I want to see that.
Oh God.
Hey, how is it?
Oh, actually, not too bad. I know. You don't even taste the coconut, Rose.
Next up, we've got a bun.
It's boring. Sorry.
Let's see if she's going for the cheese or she's going for mustard.
No.
Look, she's going for cheese. Look how nicely. A little dripping on
Show
the
off.
side. Look, very nice.
Show off.
It's all nice and melty, just the way everybody likes it. Little ketchup on it, she's going.
See, oh, good. It wasn't just me.
She can write people's names on it and everything. And a little bit of, oh no, lettuce is fine. It's all that matters. Oh, wait.
Really.
It's like a
show off.
birthday burger. And she's got an initial on it. Oh, look, thank you. And basically the recipes in the cookbook actually talked about making your own brownies, making your own cupcakes, and I was going to make the cupcakes, but it had some different ingredients like almond meal and things like that, which I couldn't get. So last minute, we just had to change and ended up using both cake mix and brownie mix, but my understanding is it's still good. So either way you want to do it, that's fine. And even had it making your own frosting and coloring the frosting. But I just went for the good old bag of ready-made frosting because this, I think, worked out well. That does look like a nice piece of cheese on there. Michelle, are you going for the
I was
mustard
trying
look?
to do the cheese, but I wasn't.
You could take a
as
knife.
good.
But take a bite. Let me know what you think. How is it?
Really good.
Great.
Well, people had fun with those cupcakes, and for the brownies, you notice they were all in circles. So a simple round cookie cutter, or you could even use a glass, made them that shape. But because you'd have square brownies, and this is round, you're left over with pieces. It almost looks at this point like a Swiss cheese brownie. But you may need extra because you're certainly going to have a lot of extra cupcakes. The recipe called for the brownie mix to be in a 9x13. No, I'm sorry. It asked for it to be in a 9x9. I would recommend doing the 9x13 because you're going to have a lot of more brownies, which will be equal to or close to the amount of cupcakes that you have. But no matter what pan you have, you're going to have the extra brownies and some leftover cupcakes. So what you can do, and I know that you can just simply eat it like this, because sometimes people feel that the edges are the best part. But if you need
They
some
are.
extra, they are. That's what I'm hearing from people. I'm hearing this. Is you can just simply scoop some out, and then if you just go like this, okay? Go like that. And what have you got? There is some extra patties. Just keep that warm on the grill like that. And hope that's a helpful hint for you. Now, question is, what is your favorite flavor of cupcake? Chocolate or vanilla? Comment on the post, let me know, and next week I'll let you know what was the winning flavor. Thanks for joining us.